Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to scan QR code on Windows laptop. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can scan QR code without any third-party application. You can use inbuilt Windows 10 or 11 camera. So click on Start and search here camera. Now click on camera. If default if default video is selected, so select camera. And here once you click on this drop down, so you will see the option scan barcode. So just click on it. If camera is selected, so here is the option switch to barcode mode. Now keep your barcode in front of this camera, so it will scan and redirect. So this is the simple setting guys to scan barcode in your Windows laptop. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.